The SUD800H is a hydraulic but fusion welding machine designed for joining HDPE and PE pipes with diameters to 1,200 millimeters. It features a durable aluminum frame, PTFE-coated heating plate, and a hydraulic unit for reliable welding. Equipped with precise temperature control and a low starting pressure, it ensures high-quality pipe connections, making it ideal for large-scale pipeline installations and maintenance.